Should burgers be sweet? Sonic thinks so. They just launched a smash burger with a jalapeno pineapple sauce. Now, pineapple on pizza has been dividing people for decades, but pineapple on a burger? Can't remember the last time I was eating a smash burger and said, man, I wish this had pineapple on it. This is Outrageous Foods, where I review food based on taste, calories, and price. If you think all three should hit on your next meal, hit the subscribe button and let's head to Sonic. All right, here we go. First time at Sonic. Never been to one before. Didn't really have them growing up. Kind of surprising because they're in almost every state in the country. Anyways, we are here for the Tropical Heat Smasher? I think that's what you call it. They're pretty much tied with Taco Bell for the most ridiculous, wordy named food. I did the shredded beef dipping taco in the last video. You guys seem to like that one. What happened to the Whopper? That's nice and simple, but look, here for their smash burger that has pineapple on it. Pineapple, jalapeno sauce. Is it a jelly? Is it a jam? 870 calories, $7. I want to say 69 cents before tax, so we're entering Culver's territory. Speaking of territory, went out of my way to find the best Sonic I could find, which isn't easy because the one by my house closed because it looked like a bomb went off. This Sonic had a 4.0 out of over 1,000 reviews, which was pretty stellar for all the Sonic data I could find. I don't know how I feel about this. I will say this, positive review on Burger Beast. The burger looked fire on burgerbeast.com. He quite liked it, but I'll be honest, I've been burnt on burgers lately. Freddy's was really a letdown. The Jack in the Box Smash Jack was straight up terrible. My assumption is I'm not gonna get past 3 bites of this thing. Tropical Heat Sonic Smash. I don't have high hopes, we'll see. So I made my way into Sonic. It's mostly a car hop. They actually take your order at the car, but if you choose to eat there, you will eat outside after you order at the kiosk, and here we go. Tropical Heat Sonic Smasher. Ooh! It's blue! First time at Sonic, I didn't know. Blue box, I love this. Speaking of Tropical Heat, they launched it at the right time. It's freaking hot. All right, here we go. Let's take a look, see what we got here. Ready? Ooh, tear the sucker open. Okay, so already out the gate, what I'm seeing here is super melty cheese, very, very crisp bacon. You kind of can tell a little bit of the sear on there. Wouldn't call it a, award-winning smash sear, but not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, this kind of takes me back. There's the mayo. Oh, finally sauce. Let's try the saucy here. Wow, I was here to diss pineapple. Ooh, that's got kick. It's funny, I was like, 3 bites and I'm out. I don't know. I will say this though, $8 and change actually, hang on. 832 attacks, 870 calories. This feels heavy in the hand. Let's see how it eats. It's not cheap, that's for sure. This is not cheap. Initial reactions, good. Honestly, good. This does come in 2 waves though. Dude, dude. I like the sauce. Man, this thing drips, hot, definitely freshly made. Dude, it's dangerous. I may have to call it right now. It's like greasy and good. It's juicy. If I had to pick this apart, let's pick it apart a little bit. Whoa. That's a problem. We'll dig into that. Closing thoughts. The sauce is good. It's about as pineapple as a Slurpee would be pineapple if you ordered a pineapple Slurpee. But it works. Bacon is crisp. It's probably the crispest bacon I've ever had. Definitely on a fast food burger. There's lettuce on here. It's about as limp and pathetic as one would expect from fast food, but it doesn't really get in the way. And cheese is it's almost like a sauce. It's cheese. I mean, this is like cheesesteak level. That's really good. Bacon's good. The mayo's cheap, period. And I will tell you this. This is why Sonic won't be a habit for me. The burger, if you eat the burger on its own, the meat has an off-putting taste. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm glad I tried it on its own because it helps me to exercise some restraint. But this was way better than I thought it was going to be. But there's definitely some questions to answer. All right, let's score this bad boy, the Tropical Heat Sonic Smasher. For taste, I scored it a 5.7 out of 10. This is tricky, and frankly, I'm being generous. First 3 bites in, I thought I was gonna eat another 3 bites. This thing had great crisp bacon, the cheese was cheesy, thought I'd come in and trash the sauce, and I actually liked it. The burger was juicy, greasy, good, but when I tried that meat on its own, that was a deal breaker. The meat alone tasted like mystery lunch meat, and it may keep me from ever going to a Sonic ever again. So that's that. But I'll tell you this, you would never know it if you ate the burger in its entirety. So they literally knew how to mask the taste of the meat with some pretty deliciously engineered topping ideas. For price, I'm scoring it a 4.6 out of 10. This is where I'm gonna get a little harsh here. $8.32 with tax just ain't cheap. Sure, it's a double smash burger with bacon on it, but it needed that bacon and the sauce just to cover up the taste of that meat. And frankly, there's better value for burgers out there, whether you spend a little bit more at a Shake Shack or you spend less and go to In-N-Out. So sorry, Sonic, but also not sorry. For calories, I scored it a 5.2 out of 10. 870 calories is pretty substantial. The burger felt pretty hefty in my hand, not the biggest thing in the world, and maybe it's a meal, but I'd never know because I couldn't stomach finishing it. Total score, 15.5 out of 30. Yeah, the Tropical Heat Sonic Smasher is a mid burger. And honestly, there were some things that were actually pretty interesting about it, but when I tasted that meat on its own, and it had that mystery meat aftertaste and before taste and taste, pretty much sums up this. Whenever I drive past a Sonic, I'ma keep driving past. This is Outrageous Foods. If you dug this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments, do you dig Sonic? Do you like other stuff on the menu? Let me know. And as always, let me know where you think I should go next. Thanks for watching.